In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade. This drain is really corroded and kind of gross. I'm going to be replacing that with a new one. I did not get a new plug yet, so I'll have to use the old one until I get a new one, and then that'll be easy to replace. And then I'll be replacing this tailpiece and drain along with the plunger mechanism just to kind of upgrade this faucet a little bit. And I'll list everything that I'm using for this upgrade in the description of the video if you are interested in checking them out for yourself. And we'll start with the plunger. Get that out of the way. And then the P-trap. And this will be full of water, so you might want to put a bucket underneath it like I'm doing here so you don't have a mess on your cabinet. And that'll get that out of the way. Then I've got a nut up here I need to loosen. And that wasn't very tight. You just back this off a little bit so that you can push this whole tailpiece upward, and we'll be able to pull it out or unscrew and take the top piece off. First of all, pull this drain out of here, clean that up because I'm going to reuse it until I get a new piece. And then we'll push this drain up. We should be able to unscrew the top here. I might have to get a pair of pliers to hold on to that so I can twist it. Yeah, that'll work. Now I could just replace that or try to clean it and reassemble it, but you can see how crumbly the plumber's putty is in there. It definitely needs to be redone anyway. So we'll get this all cleaned up and we'll take it from there. Now to get the new drain piece installed, we'll take some plumber's putty. Just got a ball of it here. I'm going to roll out a piece. Then we'll take our drain piece off and we'll go around this outside surface with our plumber's putty. You want plenty on there. So something like that. And then we'll take the drain piece and push it up through the hole from underneath. As tight as we can get that by hand. Make sure you have it in the proper orientation below. And then we'll pull down on it. Some of that plumber's putty will squeeze out, and then I'll start tightening the nut on the bottom. Okay. And then back at the top we can peel off the excess plumber's putty. And this blue tint is a protective plastic coating to keep it from getting scratched. You can peel that off too. And it looks like a brand new sink drain, which is exactly what we want. But this goes in the side hole on that bottom drain with the long part sticking out. Make sure you put this plastic nut on here. Push it through, and it needs to come through the hole. Got lucky right off the bat, so that went pretty easy. And then if we're lucky, we have an operational drain valve. That'll work for now until I get a new plug. So I'll fill it up, test the overflow drain, make sure that's working okay and we're not leaking underneath from anywhere. Okay, it's going out the overflow. And we got a leak, so we'll tighten that down a little bit. Let's try the overflow again up top. All right, no leaks this time. Good. And we'll release the regular drain. I think we're good. Hopefully this will help you out. If it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave. And there's a video on the screen now that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. If you click on that video, I'll meet you over there.